Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are here with part 4 of our upgrading my car series. If you haven't seen the other 3 videos, this is a playlist, so you can go back and watch it. My last video in this series, I did a car steering wheel cover and a keychain. So this is actually a follow-up to that video because we are going to be making matching seat covers. Oh my goodness, if that's not extra, I don't know what is. Okay, because my car is about to be extra, okay. Anyways, before we go on with that, if you are new, consider subscribing. I post every week on Friday at 12 p.m. and if you are returning, hey BNG Nation, how you guys doing? Comment down below, let me know you are here. Okay, so I'm only gonna be doing the front 2 seats. I'm not gonna be doing the back seat because my dog does sit back there and you know, she's gonna tear it all up. She does not like fur. So yeah, so that's that. But we're gonna be making the front 2 covers, and that's honestly all that people are gonna see in my car specifically. But if you want to make back covers, you can definitely do that, but it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. So that being said, I did look up some of these fur seat covers. I was wondering if this even existed. Of course they do, you know, someone invented these, whatever. So I was looking up, and for some really nice furry, like luxury furry seat covers, girl, one of them was like $70. Only one seat cover. I was like, I know they lying. So I went on ahead and went to Joann's, my trusty dusty fabric store. Okay, y'all know I love Joann's. So I busted out some coupons from them in the app. I didn't even have to go crazy looking for it. They had a 50%, oh no, I lied. So the fabric area, like they have their own little deals going on around the store. So Joann's and the fabric area is some reason like 2 separate things. So like if they say, like sometimes you go on the app and they'll be like, oh, one item is 20% off, but then like certain things are not included in it. So anyways, the fabric had their own type of sale. So they had like a 40% off sale for fur specifically. So I was like, okay. So I got 2 yards, and guys, like it was $50 per yard for fur. Like fur is expensive. I'm not gonna even lie to y'all. Fur is very expensive. So when I went on there, I was like expecting to spend at least $100 on this fur. But when I went in there, girl, they had that 40% off. I was like, okay. 2 yards of fur for $50. I was like, yes. We're gonna go ahead and get started with it. Okay, let's go. So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything.
It's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. It's crazy.
Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you like it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post every week on Friday at 12 p.m. So see you in the next video. Bye!